Prosperous day to you, YouTube, and welcome back, Spit Shine family. All right, so in today's episode, we have a wax removal and a floor refinish. Our client hit us up and basically told us that she has some scratches on the floor and she has some spots of wax that actually were peeling. So she actually tried to get down herself, get the wax removed, but she ended up doing more damage than she did actually solving the problem. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do a stripping of the floor, get all of that wax removed, and then do a final coating for her, leaving the floors looking gorgeous. Currently, our client is out of the country. She's in Europe right now, enjoying herself, seeing the sights. So when she comes home, I want her to come back to a refreshed, clean house, beautiful flooring. So for the rest of the video, I'll probably be having you guys on the chest rig. That's the viewpoint that you guys will be seeing everything from. From time to time, I'll try to do a wide shot using the camera. I'm trying to place it on something around here where I can place it on. It's kind of an open space, so we'll see. But yeah, let's get to it. Dining room table, she had a big white carpet, just like that one over there, placed here, covering these two up. So yeah. That's what those two spots look like. This one as well. First and foremost, which is the undying habit, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. Even though the carpet is not part of this, I still have to roll this up and put it away. And there's a lot of dust and dirt on it. Now I don't want to give myself the sneezes. So I went ahead and let the stripper sit for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this green brush just to test a small area and to see if the wax is ready to come off. And then if so, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the rotary. It may be a little unnecessary, but I wanna make sure that I remove every particle. So let's see. Yeah, let's come right on up. Look at that. So yeah, it's about that time. Look at all that wax. Just comes right on up. So yeah, she was fighting with this for a long time. stop by.
Hey guys, it's great to see you again.
Alright, so she's going to be filming me a little bit on the rotary, so I don't have to put it on the ground and sit it anywhere. So she's going to film me doing that, and she can't stay long, but thank God she's here for the meantime. Let's get to it. Alright y'all, so I got my microfiber towel, I throw on my elf shoes, bucket of solution, stripper pad, and my plastic blade. What I'm doing is I'm going over all these spots that were missed from the rotary. The rotary is not gonna pick up 100% of everything. So you're gonna have to go back over these spots, hands and knees, if you don't wanna miss anything. So all I'm gonna do is apply a very, very light amount of solution to the area, and it doesn't take long. It'll come right on up. Very, very light. I don't want to saturate this because saturate the floor with solution, then it's difficult to see where my areas are after the floor is wet. Already I can see that starting to come up. Look at that. That's what was left over. So this is why I want to go back over all these spots, get down hands and knees, and find all of these little remainders. Because I don't want none of that left behind. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for the video. The floor is finished. Got the second coat down. The floor looks good. The client should be extremely happy with the results. She doesn't have to deal with that spot anymore, here, there, or the spot that was under the table out there. She doesn't have to deal with that anymore. She never has to see it again. So before she gets back, I'm going to go ahead and restage all of her furniture. But I just want to make sure I give the floor enough time to cure. Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap for the video. I greatly appreciate you guys being here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, y'all.